How to add link on YouTube Shorts description. Hello everyone, this is Lisa from Create, Login and Delete. Now let's get started. Open your YouTube Studio. Here we go. You will land to the dashboard. Now head towards the content option. Over here you will find different options. Go to the option of Shorts. Now over here you're gonna find all of your Shorts videos. Now head towards any of the shorts in which you want to add the link. Here I'm gonna open this one. After you open the shorts, at the top right you will find this pen kind of icon. Tap on it. Now go to this option of description. Now over here you can easily add the link. Now over here I'm gonna paste the link. And you can see that I have just pasted the link in my YouTube Shorts description. So this is how you can easily add link on YouTube Shorts description. This was really simple and quick process. If you are watching this video after 31st August, then this process might not work as YouTube has removed this feature after 31st August. So I hope now you guys are clear about how to add link on YouTube Shorts description. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, make sure to like, share and subscribe. Thank you.